Hello friends, in this video you will get the information about how to register yourself on Chase. This is the topic about Chase banking registration process. Okay, we will guide you with the help of user manual. Firstly, go to Chase website, open your web browser and visit the official Chase website. Choose what's the right for you. Okay, now click on sign in button. Click on this sign in button at the top right corner, sign in button. Click on the enroll now. On the sign in page, click on the enroll now to create your online banking registrations. Welcome, sign in to your account. Okay, now you have option to create your username. So first you want to create your username, you want to get your username, click on enroll now button. Then process 4, step 4, select account type. Select the type of account you want to access online. Let's get started. Tell us what kind of account you have. If you have personal account, then click on personal account. You have small account, then you have to click small account. When you have commercial account, then you have to click on commercial account. So you have to click your, firstly I have a personal account, so I click on personal account, then click on next button. Enter your informations. Step 5 is the process of about your informations. Enter your informations. Enter your Chase account number, ATM debit card number or credit card number and click to next button. So I have clicked on account number. Okay, so I have to fill up account number there, then I have to click on next button. Verify your identity. This is the step 6. In the process of step 6, enter your last 4 digits of your social security number and click on the next button. Verify for your identity verification. We need to make sure it's you, so last 4 digits of your SSN, so you have to fill up your last 4 digits of your SSN number. Now step 7. In the process of step 7, set up your user ID. Create a user ID for your Chase online banking. So must be unique. User ID requirements. About the requirements, there is the special features to how to create your user ID. So you have to create your user ID with unique and digital way. So when you creating a user ID, you have to put the value of all the value numbers, and it is not like a simple username, it's like a set your complicated unique username. Then create your password. Okay, so just because of creating your password, it is about password requirements like 8 to 32 character in capital letters A, B, C, D, in a small letter A, B, C, D, E, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, special character like @ sign, hash sign, dollar sign, percentage sign. You, when you are creating your password, you use all these numbers. Means, just for example, I am creating a sample password. This is a password of sample for demo, capital A B C D @1 2 3, just for a demo. In this password we use capital letters, we use small letters, we use special characters, we use numbers, and also this is the 8 character password. So you have to, when you are setting your password, please think about this and create a strong complicated password with one special character, with uppercase letter, lowercase letters, special characters and numbers. So creating your password, then when you creating your password, then you have to click on next button. In the step process of 9, what is the step 9? The step 9 is a set security question. Select and answer security questions to help protect your account. So choose a questions. There is a choosing your question, like just for example, I chooses a security question. What was the name of your first pet? Then I have to uh, put the value of first name. In what city were you born? Then I have to write there my city where I was born. Why is this? This is helpful when you forget your password. Then with the help of your security question, you get recover your password in future. Now verify your information. In the process of 10, step 10, verify your informations, review your informations and click confirm. Review and confirm. Please review your informations, your user ID, your account type, your account number, and then when your user ID, you will show your user ID, your account type, your account number, and your password. All details you have to see there, and then you have all details. Things are actually all these things are totally corrected. Then you have to click on the confirm button, and when you confirm button, your registrations will be successfully. This is the simple and genuine process where you have to change mobile banking registration process. This is the user manual. Okay, this is the PDF of user manual for Chase mobile banking registrations. So registration successfully, you have successfully registered for Chase online banking. You all are set up your online banking registrations are successfully. Go to sign in the process. Now you can sign in your account by your username and your password, and then click on sign in button to sign in. This is the process of Chase mobile banking registration process. If this video is helpful for you, then please subscribe your channel and please like the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Thank